Welcome back to another video. Today we're diving into a highly notable and intense compilation of traffic situations just caught on camera. A hair-raising last-second cut. Desperate not to miss the exit, the dark blue sub abruptly swerves from the far lane across the gore zone, dangerously cutting off the dashcam vehicle. A close call as a red hatchback suddenly speeds out from a side road, nearly boning a cyclist traveling on the main street. An indecisive moment as the red hatchback signals and starts shifting into the left lane, only to suddenly change its mind and swerve straight back into the middle lane.
Stupid ass.
The black Jeep made an extremely reckless U-turn. Instead of carefully checking behind him, the driver suddenly turned, abruptly cutting across the lane and narrowly avoiding a head-on collision with the oncoming vehicle equipped with a dashcam. A frustrating highway situation as two large semi-trucks drive side by side at a slow speed, completely blocking both lanes. This lack of lane discipline creates a rolling roadblock, backing up traffic behind them. An impressive dashcam view while driving across the bridge, capturing a large passenger airplane landing at a very low altitude, flying right above the traft.